Hi everyone, so we're moving on to part B of this lab, and that is looking at this sheet here. This is where we're looking at a metal and a metal oxide with the reaction of our 1 molar hydrochloric acid. So again, same deal with all these, and I'm following now the procedure for this next section, for part B. So it has us doing exactly the same thing. So we've just done this reaction using sodium hydroxide, using hydrochloric acid, using solid sodium hydroxide. Now what we're doing is just looking at a metal and a metal oxide. So in this case, I have magnesium. So it'll be in the form of magnesium turnings and magnesium oxide. So we'll interchange this lab. We'll switch between calcium and magnesium. We'll be using magnesium, so make sure to pay attention to the directives saying as far as the masses that you'll need for magnesium. So if I'm looking at this procedure right here, we're going to do the same thing. Weigh a clean, empty 250 milliliter styrofoam cup. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Weigh out my cup. Same deal. Weighing out my cup here. So I'll do the reaction of the metal oxide first because that's listed as reaction 1. So I have 2.03 grams as the mass of my cup. Excellent. So for this guy, what we're going to be doing is putting 100 mils of our 1 molar hydrochloric acid. So same deal. Get this guy suspended. Let's get our 100 mils of our 1 molar hydrochloric acid. Pour it in there and stabilize. So I got that in there. Boom. So again, keep an eye on the temperature. We want to see that stabilize. So now what we're going to do is on our analytical balance, again, we're going to put about 1 gram of magnesium oxide into our weighing cup. So I'm going to go over, weigh about 1 gram of magnesium oxide, and then by then I will be able to have my solution stabilized and the reaction going. Okay, I'm going to plop on about 1 gram of our magnesium oxide. Okay. Okay, and as you can see there, I have about 1.0381 grams of my magnesium oxide. Looks like my temperature is stabilized for the most part. 20.42, I'd say, would be our initial. 20.42 degrees centigrade. All right. I'm going to push collect. Add my magnesium oxide. And now give this baby a stir. Looks like we're plateauing here. It hasn't changed much more. $28.20. Your final. 28. Centigrade, right? So I'll stop that since it's dropping. So as you get doing this, it'll come easier and easier, thus making it go by quicker, which we love. So again, rinse our probe. I just like to methodically do it right as I finish up. Rinse my stir bar. And then I'm going to record the mass of my solution. Again, on the top loading balance. And there we go. So once I get the mass of my cup here, the final, okay. And there's the experimental that I would collect for that. Again, temperature and mass. Temperature and mass. Okay, I'm going to stop there to do the final one.